So please, before you go, I want you to subscribe. Please subscribe before you actually go for, before you actually go. And if you find this video helpful, subscribe. Now, one thing we are going to do is our analysis on our AUDJPY. If you had to watch my if you had to watch my analysis that I've just did, CAD JPY, Swiss franc JPY, pound JPY, we see that our JPY is actually falling. Any pair relating to our JPY that is falling will actually be going bullish. So now that our JPY is falling, then definitely our AUD will actually be going bullish. Now we can see our price has broken above this our area here, and we are going bullish. We are aiming to take our profits here. That's exactly what I am aiming. That should be giving me about 200 plus pips. But if we can take our buy position and we were able to grab 100 plus pips and we opt out, at least that is enough. That is actually a good one to trade, which is actually good, which is not bad, by the way. At least it will be okay. But above all, we would want to see where our price will be moving for today, and we can see we've opened bullish, by the way, and our price has gone about 40 plus, about 42 pips. Our price, we've gotten about 42 plus 42 pips movement, and probably we should be able to hit about 70 to 80 pips before you actually see that retracement. By the way, before you actually see retracement, hit this our key level here. Before then, we can actually now continue bullish move. But let's say our price will plays out and we will trade what we see and not what we think. By the way, so our buffer is actually going bullish, and we would want to take our bullish opt out here. We are aiming here to hit our resistance level, take our profits here. That's on our daily time frame. On our 4-hour time frame, see bullish. By the way, we can see we are going bullish. So going shorting your position here will actually be a disaster, because there's no major key level here whereby our price can change direction. And since with our 1-hour time frame, we are still going bullish. It is actually we've gotten this little bit of retracement. Now we are going bullish. You can wait to get that retracement. About we saw a fall in 20 to 30 pips before we actually go bullish. And one thing that I said we are going bullish is that there's no major news that will be coming out that will affect our AUDJPY, change the direction, because our odd news, no much movement. All the news that is being released are low impact news. They're just low impact news, and you can see no odd news. And apart from the one that will be coming out about 11:30, the mid-afternoon, that's when another news will be coming out, and it is about low impact expected, so it will not have much effect on our currency that we will be trading. So that is why I said, based on technical analysis, let's go bullish on our AUDJPY, by the way. So that's exactly what I am saying, price. So thank you very much. If you find my video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.